Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to talk about a small trade that I took, and also let us see what are all the different trading opportunities that has been presented today from the indicator Pivot Edge, the complete trading setup indicator. Okay. Okay, so this is the trade I took in the morning. You can see here the order that I have shorted, and immediately here in the next candle I have closed this trade. So if you go to the dashboard in the orders here, see at 11:23 here I have taken the trade, and 11:25 I have closed this trade. Just around in 2 minutes I finished this trade. So on the trading view, let us see the chart. So on HDFC Bank, see this is the candle I took trade. So actually I was traveling for the last 2-3 days, and I did not trade yesterday also. So today I came to my system very late. So I just logged in and I saw few trading possibilities. I saw this was one good setup where I can take a trade. So when I entered into the system, this is the trigger I got. So as soon as I got this trigger, I placed a short order. Then immediately I closed for a small scalp trade. Okay. So now let us see other trading possibilities what we had achieved today. So on the bank Nifty, okay, so the bank Nifty opened gap up, but then we saw some weakness, and then it came down up to the levels of yesterday's low, and then from there it has taken a support. So now since this range is wide, so we have to look for the hidden levels. So if you go and switch on the hidden levels from my indicator, you can see here from where it has taken support. See exactly from our level it has taken support, and this is the trigger that you have received for a buy. This is a mint green color, or you can say lime green color, color coded indicator which gives you buy and sell trigger, and also you get the alerts. Okay, so here we have got this trigger at 9:45 for bank Nifty. If you go and see the trigger alert history, 9:45 is at 9:45. So after 9:45 candle in 9:50 you would have received a trigger. $9.20. Okay, the alerts is not updated. So anyway, here this is the trigger what we have received, and after this trigger, if you enter a trade for long, these are the next targets, possible targets, and this is one important level which is acting as a resistance. So after this resistance, here we got one rejection, and from this rejection, if you see, there has been a sell-off, and sell-off. So if you take a trade here after this candle, you can wait for your target levels, next target. This is one target, second, third target, and this is the fourth target. And here you see how beautifully it respects our targets. Exactly at this target, it has taken a support. So if you are in trade somewhere here, you can set any of your targets based on your risk reward. and you can wait up to the target. So here if somebody is in a trade, you have to set this as the target, otherwise after hitting this target there will be a very sharp reaction, because this is a major support area. So after this it took support and again it tried to go up. Then at PIMA, there's few more alerts coming now for HDFC Titan, we'll see, because currently the market is still running now. So at PIMA it took again rejection, so it came down, then it tried to play. So after this it has become sideways, not much movement in Bank Nifty. Now let us see Nifty. Nifty also similarly it opened a gap up, then it saw some small weakness, then here it almost came up to this target. From here it has taken a support. So here you got this alert. After getting this alert, if you enter trade, so you can achieve 2, 3, 4 targets you can achieve. So and then here it has taken a rejection, it means weakness. Then you can wait for this to breach this level, and after that if you enter a short trade, so you got few more targets, then market has become sideways. Now let us see BPCL. BPCL has opened gap up and then it has become sideways after giving the targets here, so extended targets. See, after first candle, in the second candle we got a buy trigger. So if you enter trade here, this is your first target and this is your second target. After giving second target, it has become sideways, not much trade. Next is HDFC Bank, that we have seen already. Next is Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever opened the gap up, then it came down. It took support from this value area. Then after taking support from the value area, it went up to the breakout level. It could not cross this breakout level. So from breakout level it has taken a rejection. So if you see this rejection from important levels, so you can enter a trade, you can sell here and keep your stop loss little bit above, and you can wait for next targets, this one band and this is one target. So both targets achieved. Next let us see Infosys. Infosys gap up opening, which came down and took support from this value area low. So from value area low, if it has taken support, here we got one buy indicator. So after this candle closing, if you take a trade, you can achieve many targets. See, target 1, this level would have been the target 1. Target 2 is your resistance area. Target 3 is your breakout level. So almost close to that level it has come. So once you see weakness or resistance at this breakout level, so you can again go and enter a short trade here and achieve these targets. So up to again value area it has come back. Next let us see Reliance. Reliance, we can see it has remained sideways today. So the trading opportunities and signals we will see now. So the first candle itself we got a signal for sell. So if you sell here, this is the target we can achieve. So after this taking support from the value area low, so it has again bounced back up to the value area high. See, this orange band is the value area and orange line bottom is the value area low, top is the value area high. So what is this value area, what are these importance, all these things I have explained in a description video about this indicator. You can go and check that. So here just now I'll just mention here also in brief. So this value area is the area where the maximum trading has happened on the previous day or previous session. So if you see yesterday, the price here maximum trading was happening in volumes. So that is denoted in the next day value area in this band. And these boundaries, the lower and higher are the boundaries up to where the buyers and sellers would fight. That is the boundaries. So this is up to this they will show interest, both buyers and sellers. So whenever the stock comes to the value area low, the buyers will try to enter here and they will think of the fair value is this value area. So up to that they will try to push. Whenever it enters the value area high, the sellers will enter here. They will think, okay, now the stock is overvalued. It has to go back to its value, fair value. So they will short here to book profits up to this value area. So this is how it works. So next, let us see State Bank of India. Okay, so State Bank of India also has opened gap up, then it came here, took support at this value area. After taking support, buy order triggered here, buy is indicator is triggered. After this you can achieve target 1, target 2, all those things. Okay, then here you saw rejection as sell indicator is triggered. If you sell here, so you can achieve this resistance trigger. The next is Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, first signal we got a buy, then after that you can take profits up to these target levels. Then at this value area low you got rejection, then we got one more sell indication here. So if you sell here, again up to yesterday's low it has come, then again it has taken a support, then this is one buy indicator again. So after you buy here, you have got your targets up to the breakout level and also the value area high. So from value area high, again one rejection here, then target up to again this resistance area. So you can take trades on both directions. Next, Tata Motors. Tata Motors, I think some support area I had marked earlier, so it has taken up to that. Okay, after the first candle we got a buy indicator in the second candle. If you enter trade here, so you have achieved two targets, extended level 1, intermediate 2 and extended level 2, 3 targets you have achieved. Tata Steel is doing good today, metal is showing good recovery. Okay, so first signal you got a buy signal, after that a small correction, then again it took support here and then it went, so continuously it has rallied. Next, Titan. Titan also has given opportunities on both directions. Okay, so here, like I told you earlier, if the range is very wide like this, then you need to switch on your hidden layers and trail your trades with keeping this. See, from hidden layer it has taken support. You may think, okay, from just out of nowhere it is reversing. It is not like that. Even in the previous script also, here if you see it has taken support here. So when this range is very wide, the range between the resistance and support, whenever it is very wide, you need to switch on your hidden layers option, this option, then you will get few more target levels. So based on these target levels you need to work. If you see here, after taking trade here, shorting, and you are expecting this major support as your target, but after every level you need to trail your stop loss, or you need to lock your profits, keep trailing. So here in this candle we saw in the candle pattern itself that it is unable to go further down to the next target, and the pattern itself is showing the bulls are entering back here. So as soon as this candle is closing in this pattern, you can close your short trade and wait for one candle. So next candle you see the bulls have taken clear control, and also our indicator has given a buy signal. So now after this candle completion you can enter for a buy or a long trade here. So this is how you need to work. Okay, see here, this is what I was telling. So after this sell trigger at 920, you enter a trade here in this candle 925, and you can book your profits at any of these target 1, target 2, target 3, and if you are waiting for target 4 and 5, and if it is not met, your target has not met, so you need to keep trailing at previous target. You have to put your stop loss and wait. So since here it took a support and took rejection, then you need to close your short trade and look for entering long here. Okay. Zee Entertainment, we see the first candle was short. So in the second candle, if you enter a short trade, you wait for the stock to at least cross this first candle's low, and then only you take trade. So second candle, you see it was not gone down, it has reversed. So but again it took a rejection, so you need to wait so till this comes below your first candle's low. So here you saw one more trigger for sell. So after this candle, if you enter trade here at 940, so this is your target. At this, after giving this target, here we saw bulls coming back and the buyers entering into trades here. So you close your trade here for short and then wait for next signal. So here you got a signal for going long. So if you enter long after this candle confirmation, that is at 10.5 if you enter long, and this is your target resistance area. So after this achieving target, again it has given a sell signal, but then after that it has played only sideways up to this value area. Okay, I think that's it about this indicator. So I'll be posting some more trade videos or daily trade videos and also some other knowledge and educational videos, and I hope you like my analysis and also you like the way this indicator is working. I made a detailed video about how this indicator works, how to use this indicator. You can find in the description and also in my video section. And please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, and if you like this content, kindly do share it to others also. Thank you and have a nice day.